Right now, in factories across China, a revolution straight out of Hollywood is happening. But this isn't a movie, it's real life. The year 2025 has arrived, and mass-produced humanoid robots are here to transform our world. In the heart of Shanghai, something extraordinary is happening. AGI Bot, a pioneering robotics company, has unveiled a facility that's not just building robots, it's using robots to build more robots. This isn't just automation, this is the birth of a new era. The facility hums with activity as mechanical workers assemble their own kind with precision that would make a Swiss watchmaker jealous. Let me introduce you to some of the most advanced humanoid robots ever created. XPENG's masterpiece, the Iron, stands at an impressive 178 centimeters tall, weighing 70 kilograms. With over 60 joints and 200 degrees of freedom, Iron showcases unprecedented flexibility and dexterity. This isn't just a showpiece, it's already working in XPENG's Guangzhou assembly plant, helping build the new P7 Plus electric vehicle. The robot's movements are so fluid, so natural, that when you first see it in action, you might think you're watching a person in a suit. Its hands feature 15 degrees of freedom with advanced tactile feedback, allowing it to perform delicate assembly tasks with remarkable precision. Alongside Iron, we have AGI Bot's remarkable achievement. Their factory has already produced 962 humanoid robots as of December 2024, making them a pioneer in mass production. Their flagship model, the A2, standing at 169 centimeters and weighing 69 kilograms, features over 40 degrees of freedom and is designed for versatile applications from customer service to factory work. Imagine this: robots and humans working side by side. In Shanghai, AGI Bot's factory isn't just a glimpse of the future, it's happening now. Robots assemble other robots, perform quality checks, and even learn to be more efficient. It's a sci-fi movie come to life, and even teaching themselves to become more efficient. The facility's testing area looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's very real. Here, robots undergo rigorous testing in various environmental conditions, ensuring they can handle everything from extreme temperatures to complex manipulation tasks. The facility includes specialized areas for module assembly, actuator testing, and real-world scenario simulations. What makes these robots truly revolutionary isn't just their mechanical prowess, it's their artificial intelligence. XPENG's Iron is powered by their proprietary Turing AI chip, a 40-core processor capable of handling AI models with up to 30 billion parameters. These machines aren't following simple programmed routines. They're thinking, learning, and adapting in real time. The AI systems powering these robots are so sophisticated that they can analyze their environment, make decisions, and even improve their performance over time through machine learning. But manufacturing is just the beginning. These robots are being prepared for deployment across every sector of society. AGI Bot has already launched their AGI Bot World Initiative, providing the largest humanoid manipulation dataset with over 1 million trajectories from 100 robots across 5 target domains. In hospitals, robotic assistants will work tirelessly alongside medical staff. In agriculture, they'll tend to crops with precision that human farmers could never match. In homes, they'll become as common as smartphones, handling everything from cleaning to cooking. Looking ahead to 2025, China plans to host the World Humanoid Robot Games, where more than 20 companies will showcase their latest innovations. Companies like UB Tech are already demonstrating their Walker S robot in automotive factories, while Robotera's Star One and innovative X-Hand technology are pushing the boundaries of object manipulation. With Beijing's ambitious plans to foster at least 50 core enterprises and scale production to over 10,000 units by 2027, the future of humanoid robotics is rapidly becoming our present reality. And now, if you are curious enough about what China and the world is preparing in robotics, then make sure to watch the video shown on your screen to learn more about all the new robots displayed at CES 2025. The scale of China's robotic revolution is mind-blowing. By 2030, its humanoid robot sector is projected to grow from 2 billion yuan to 38 billion yuan. Production will skyrocket from 4,000 robots today to over 271,000 annually. This is a technological and economic transformation happening before our eyes. From just 4,000 units today, production will scale up to over 271,200 units in this period. Goldman Sachs research has even suggested that if all technological hurdles are overcome, the global market could reach an astounding $154 billion by 2035. While China is leading this revolution, they're not alone. Companies worldwide are racing to develop their own humanoid robots. Tesla's Optimus, Boston Dynamics' Atlas, and Figure AI's innovations are setting global benchmarks. But China's advantage lies in its massive manufacturing infrastructure and government support. The country's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology has set ambitious targets: mass production by 2025 and world leadership by 2027. Chinese companies are already making waves. AGI Bot's factory in Shanghai is pioneering robot-building robot technology, while XPENG's iron humanoid stands at 178 centimeters tall with sophisticated AI capabilities. Shanghai Limited has invested 1 billion RMB in their Qinglong robot, which boasts 43 degrees of freedom. Companies like BYD and Huawei are pouring billions into robotics research, while Ubtech's Walker S is already performing full process handling tasks in automotive factories. The country aims to foster 2 to 3 globally influential ecological enterprises and create multiple industrial development clusters by 2025, cementing its position as a robotics powerhouse. The technical achievements we're seeing are unprecedented. These robots have mastered complex movements that were impossible just a few years ago. They can manipulate delicate objects, navigate irregular terrain, and even perform intricate assembly tasks. The X-hand technology, developed by Robotera, has achieved levels of dexterity that rival human hands. This isn't just a technological revolution, it's an economic one. As these robots enter the workforce, they're not just replacing jobs, they're creating entirely new industries. We're seeing the emergence of robot maintenance specialists, AI trainers, and robot-human interaction designers. The job market isn't shrinking, it's evolving. What's most exciting is that this is just the beginning. The robots we're seeing today are like the first smartphones, revolutionary, but just a hint of what's to come. By 2027, we'll see robots with capabilities that we can barely imagine today. They'll be more intelligent, more capable, and more integrated into our daily lives than ever before. As these robots become more common, they're changing how we think about work, society, and even what it means to be human. They're not replacing human interaction, they're augmenting it. In factories, robots handle dangerous or repetitive tasks, while humans focus on creativity and problem solving. In healthcare, they're giving medical staff more time to focus on patient care. The challenges ahead are significant, but not insurmountable. Companies are working tirelessly to improve AI capabilities, enhance safety features, and ensure reliable operation. The focus isn't just on making robots that work, it's on making robots that work safely and effectively alongside humans. Major players are betting big on this revolution. Companies like BYD and Huawei are pouring billions into robotics research and development. This isn't speculative investment. It's based on the clear potential these technologies have shown. The success of early deployments has convinced industry giants that humanoid robots are the future. Ladies and gentlemen, what we're witnessing isn't just another technological advancement, it's a fundamental shift in human civilization. The mass production of humanoid robots in China marks the beginning of a new era, an era where robots and humans work together to achieve things that neither could do alone. As we stand here in 2025, we're not just observers of this revolution, we're participants in it. The future we once dreamed about in science fiction is becoming our reality. And if what we're seeing from companies like AGI Bot and XPENG is any indication, that future is going to be more incredible than we ever imagined. Remember this moment. Years from now, people will look back at 2025 as the year everything changed. The year when humanoid robots stepped out of our imagination and into our world. The question isn't whether this technology will change our lives, it's how we'll adapt to a world where humans and robots work side by side. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Are you excited about this robotic future? Scared? Curious? Let me know what you think. Until next time, Keep your eyes on the future. It's arriving faster than you think.